Your thoughts are in the pouring rain. You feel the way you did before I met you. Now I see the pain, forcing you to blame the only man that loved you. Well, no one more got close to me before. I'm amazed I let you to and fro. It's how my thoughts would go while I was looking for my release. You should know I had to let you go now and forevermore. I'm out of reach. Now I see it all right before me. Your little story, my role's on the page. I refuse to play in your tragedy. I feel no remorse while you deal with yours. How you feeling lately? Well, no one more got close to me before. Lady, you betrayed me to and fro. It's how my thoughts would go while I was looking for my release. You should know I had to let you go now and forevermore. I'm out of reach.
Yeah. Hence, in the past tense, the sentiments, the arguments, taking offense, the only consequence I'm left to lament, the love that came and went. I'm still a true gent, never bitter, never twisted, only optimistic about the main statistic. Number one is standing vertical, cause I never take things personal, believe me. My woman is gone, some just move her. The linguist, this producer, this performer, molded by the pain and the trauma. I'm on a mission to listen to intuition more than I've ever done before. Never keep it hidden, I won't waste away. I'll wake up from day to day and I'll face this. You're on a need to know basis.